So I keep saying this every time. I get so excited shooting my videos. Welcome back to another video, guys. You are so welcome here if you're new. My name is Pruddy. Yes, my name is Pruddy. Yes, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Miss Pruddy. And yes, so I just thought of an idea. Like, why not do a video for another video? So basically I want to get ready for another video. So yeah, I'll not be doing a lot of talking or whatever. You guys are just going to watch me do my makeup. That's the usual. I'll be showing you the products that I use because they are they're cheap, okay? They're cheap, yes, but we are going to try to slay a body look. By cheap I mean they're very, very affordable. I'm not saying like cheap makeup, like I'm just saying they're affordable, but they're so good. Like if you have a skin type like mine, yes, and I'll actually recommend them because so far sijui kama kuna product yangu nachukia, but I just want to try out different foundations. The one that I use right now is green tea. This was recommended by a friend and it's super nice. That's why I'm saying that. I'm saying cheap makeup because like I'm just using anything on my skin. Like no, you're not doing that. So make sure you subscribe, like this video, comment and share it to your friends because I know I'm funny. Okay, maybe I'm not funny, but I am interesting. For sure, I'm interesting. Because I watch my videos, I know I'm interesting. Come on. So make sure you like the video. Yes, like the video right now. And drop a love emoji. Show some love.
spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, but don't you understand? love, everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed. And I'm digging you, you make me believe that your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. I'll give you anything you want from me, anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. I'll give you anything you want from me, anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, girl. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. You give me all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me working the ooh, baby,
Do you remember that one night when we fell in love? What we had felt so right, 'cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what? You, what we've been through, I miss you. And you can't lie, you miss me too. If I roll through, put you in the mood, it could be just me and you. 'Cause baby, you missed the stroke. Let me know when you're alone,
and we can ride the boogie.
baby, you missed the stroke.